Hi everyone, this is Vaughn at Spirit of Health, and I want to discuss 11 different types of fasts that you could possibly do. And this is just the intro video to that. I'm in the process of writing a book, it's not done yet, all about fasting. And one of the chapters is about these 11 different types of fasts that you can do. But let me explain it to you first, because obviously you read the Bible, you don't find 11 different types of fasts you can do. But the ones that are in the Bible, they're in this chapter of my book. However, the reason I expanded it to have 11 different types of fasts to consider is because everyone's in a different place in their fasting journey. And really my goal with this is I want you to be successful. So many people think it's all or nothing. I tend to have that mindset that I'm amazing because I fasted 40 days, or I'm an abysmal failure because I can't fast, right? You don't want to do that. You want to have successes. So you might do a 3-day, a 7-day, a 10-day, a 21-day. There's so many different ways you can fast, but really, again, our goal is that you're successful. You learn to live a fasted lifestyle. And for some people, that just might be turning away from the standard American diet, learning what it means to eat healthy. And that's okay. We have a program for that on our website too. It's called Eating by Design. But as far as this fasting series is concerned, there's 11 different types of fasts that you can do, and I have a video for each one, just a short video explaining each one, the pros and cons, so you can decide maybe if you want to try one of those things. If you need to, you might just need to be successful one day. I mean, trust me, I've done extended fast, but then I've had times where I feel like I couldn't fast to save my life. So sometimes it was just being successful one day to just get that victory under your belt. And so, you know, a lot of people, when they think about fasting, they think about 40-day water fasting. Like that's the epic summit of the mountain, like Moses, 40 days, no food, no water. You know, you're probably not going to do that, and that's okay. But you might be able to do a Daniel fast if you really understand what it means, and maybe you do it 3 days the first time. So there's a lot of different things you can do, and there's a lot of different reasons people might want to do different types of fasts. So I hope it will encourage you to fast, because really that's the whole goal, is to give you tools and resources and encouragement to actually start your process of fasting. Because what it might be is it might be building blocks, and you might start at something really basic, and maybe you're successful for 1 to 3 days, and then you can progressively go deeper into your fasting, and maybe you'll get to water fasting, maybe you'll get to dry fasting. When people haven't heard of dry fasting, just doing 1 day, it's amazing. People are shocked at maybe how easy it was or how they felt, or a lot of times people are pleasantly surprised that it was maybe easier than they thought it was. They'd had it so built up in their mind, or maybe it was impossible and you totally crashed after the first 3 hours, you know, whatever. But again, I really think people need resources, because it's not all or nothing. It's not 40 days or nothing. It's not water or you're not really fasting, but you can go to deeper levels. And the way I designed it is to create these 11 different types of fasts to be starting from what I consider to maybe be the easiest, progressively through what could be the most challenging. And then again, you can see where you're at in that journey, and wherever you're at's perfectly okay. Because you know what? If you're fasting, that means you're going after Jesus, and you're never wrong in that. Never. So, I hope you're encouraged, and I hope you desire more to fast and to seek the Lord, to turn away from the carnal pleasures of this earth. And I hope these different types of fasts give you the tools and resources to help you be more successful.